Good day, good people. My name is Masinya PM. So today we'll do a parabola graph. Parabola. What is a parabola? Parabola means a curve. It might be it might be concave up or concave down, right? So our general formula of a parabola is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Our A stands for it tells us whether our graph will face up or down, right? Our B is our horizontal shift of graph. Then our C is our vertical shift of graph. And our graph may be given in a turning point form. It will be f of x is equal to a of x minus b plus c, right? That is how it will be in our turning point form, right, people? So then we can also derive this general formula to find a turning point equation. TP equation. We derive this general form. The derivative of ax squared plus bx plus c, right? It will be, the derivative will be 2ax plus b, ne? The derivative of c is 0, ne? Then here we put 0. Then we make what? We make our x the subject of the formula. It will be minus b over 2a. This is our turning point equation if we want to find a turning point coordinate, right? That is how it was derived. So I will show you the functions of A, the effects of A, B, and C on our parabolic equation, right? Let's say we have y is equal to x squared. Ne? This one is a parabolic equation. If they give you maybe y is equal to 2x, this one is exponential, so know the difference, right? So here is our parabolic equation. How are we going to draw it? Our parabolic equation, it will be like this. Our turning point will be 0 and 0. It will be like this. Right? Because the value of A here is positive. It means it is a concave up, right? Then if our equation it changes, that y is equals to x squared plus 2, right? Our graph will be like this. It will shift 2 units, 1, 2, upwards. Right? Then our turning point will be here on 2. Right? Our value will be 2. Our x value will be 0. Then if our graph it changes, let's say yeah, we have the equation of y is equals to x minus 2 plus c plus 2, right? Our graph will be like this. It will be 2 units up, right? And it will move 2 units to the right, which means it will be here, right? It will be here, somewhere here. Then our coordinates for a TP here, it will be 2 and 2. Right? Those are effects of B and C. Let's see the effects of A in our quadratic equation, in our parabolic equation, right? It will be like this. Let's have a maybe equation. Equation is y is equals to, let's say, minus x minus 2 plus 2. Our graph, it will be a concave down. Because of what? Because of this negative, it will be like this. It will face down like this. It will face down, right, people? Then if it is positive, it will face up. It's a concave up. If A is positive, right? Let me write those fractions in a simple way. Maybe in a ways form you can understand them. So that you can understand them. If A is greater than 0, it's a concave up. If A is less than 0, it's a concave down. Then if our values is x minus b, for the effects of b, our graph moves to the right because of this negative. If it's positive b, our graph moves to the left. Right, good people. Then our C is our turning point. You see, is our turning point y v. Right. So let's let's have this equation and solve it. This equation and solve it. And see, finding coordinates, finding x and y intercept, turning point, using that turning point equation, and we'll see. And also doing a graph and see whether it's a concave up or concave down. Y is equal to 5 squared minus 4x plus or minus 12, ne? Minus 12. It's a minus 12. Right? Our question is find x and y intercept. Okay. To find turning point, right? Then draw a graph, draw a parabolic graph, right? Let's do it. Let's find x and y intercept. For x intercept, y is equal to 0. Therefore, our equation will be x squared minus 4x minus 12. Then we solve for x. You fold in. If we have a negative here, negative tells us that in our brackets, our signs will be the same. It may be a positive and negative, or negative and positive, right? Then let's see, we have 12 here. What are factors of 12? Is a 6 times 2, ne? And 1 times 12, ne? The other one is 4, 8, 12, ne? 4 times 3, ne? So we want those ones, if we multiply them, they give us 12. If we subtract or add them, they give us 4. Is this ones? It will be 6 and 2, ne? Here we put x, here we put x. So I said which signs? If here is negative, our signs will be different. It will either be negative, our signs will be either negative here, positive here, because this sign here is negative, right? We are going to have minus 6 and positive 2, right? Then, because why we have negative 6 and positive 2, minus 6 plus 2, it gives us negative 4, right? And our x value, it will be positive 6 here, and our x value here, it will be minus 2, right? Then we are going to look for what? Y-intercept. Y-intercept x is equal to 0, right? Then y will be equal to 0 squared plus 4 multiplied by 0 minus 12. And our y value will be minus 12. Our coordinates, it will be 0 and minus 12. Then our coordinates here, it will be 6 and 0. And here it will be 0 and minus 2, right? Then we are going to look for a turning point coordinate. The turning point for the x value is equal to minus b over 2a, right? Like I said, here is our a, here is our minus, here is our b, here is our c. Then our p, it will be minus multiplied by minus 4. Then our b is 1 here. Then it will be 2 multiplied by 1. Then our answer is going to be what? It's going to be 2, right? Then we are going to find what? To find our y value of our turning point. It will be replaced by positive 2 minus 4 times 2 minus 12, right? Then it will give us minus 18. Let's see if it's minus 18. 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 12. No, it's a minus 16, right? Then from here, we're going to draw our graph. Our turning point coordinate is 2 and minus 16. Let's draw our graph here. Our A tells us that our graph will be a concave up. You all know that, right? Then, here we go. Then we are going to look for what? We are going to look for our y intercept. We'll say it's a minus 12 here. Then our turning point will be minus 16 somewhere here. And 1, 2, it will be right here, right? Then it will be here. Then our x values, x intercepts, I mean x intercept, it will be minus 2 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It will be here, right here. Then it will be, our graph will be like this. Concave up. Right, people. This is our parabolic graph. Thank you.